Thank you, Daddy, for being a nice dad. Thank you for giving me everything I want. Thank you for not shouting at me always. Thank you for everything, Dad.
I'm already growing into the.
Hello, Daddy. Happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat ng mga binigay mo sa akin. Sa amin, buong family. Wish you good health na walang mangyari sa atin sa family. Love you. Happy birthday.
I think I'm ready to go. I think I'm ready to be.
He's a very loving partner. He's always there for me, for the kids. I couldn't ask for anything more. He shows his love for us every day, every single day.
Hello, Daddy-o. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life and thank you for everything, as in everything talaga. Alos ikaw na nagpalaki sa akin.
You can keep your reasons. We're the real dreamers and we can figure it all out. We can figure it all out for ourselves.
Sobrang bait na tao. And masyado siyang pasensyoso. Hindi mo siya kayang galitin, basta-basta. Pag nagalit siya, talagang galit na siya. He's that kind of person. And usually, ako nakakagawa niya. Nagagalit ko talaga siya. Lalo na pag nagda-drive siya at pinakikilaman ko siya. He hates that.
Don't need the world to believe. Right now I'm ready to show that I'm no ordinary.
Everything sa kanya is positive. Parang walang negative sa utak nito, ng taong to. Maybe kaya pinagsama kami ni Lord. Siya mabait, ako hindi. Joke lang. I want you to be happy. To be happy with your life, to be happy with us, with the kids, and with your family. Happy birthday, Labi. I love you very much.